North America is a continent of varied landscapes, stretching from the Arctic wastes of the far north to the narrow land bridge of Central America in the south, bounded by the Pacific Ocean to the west and the Atlantic Ocean to the east. Just like its habitats, the wildlife of North America is extremely diverse, ranging from hummingbirds to beavers to brown bears, and all kinds of biological magnificence in between. So today, we are going to look at 12 important animals of North America. Let's get started. The caribou. The caribou, a North American relative of the reindeer, encompasses 4 distinct variants, ranging from the smaller Peary caribou to the larger boreal woodland caribou, with males weighing up to 400 pounds, 181 kilograms. Male caribou are renowned for their impressive antlers, used in dramatic battles for mating rights during breeding season. These majestic creatures have been hunted by human inhabitants of North America for well over 10,000 years. While populations are rebounding somewhat today after a decade of decline, caribou now inhabit increasingly narrow territories. Threats such as climate change and oil and gas drilling could further impact their numbers in the future. Notably, woodland caribou are considered a keystone species in their environment, playing a crucial role in ecosystem health and balance. The ruby-throated hummingbird, weighing less than 0.14 ounces, 4 grams, is a marvel of nature. Both sexes boast metallic green feathers along their back and white feathers on their belly, with males distinguished by iridescent ruby-colored feathers on their throats. Despite their diminutive size, these hummingbirds play a vital role as one of North America's key pollinators. As they flit from flower to flower in search of nectar, they inadvertently transfer pollen, facilitating the reproduction of numerous plant species. This crucial role in pollination not only supports the health and diversity of plant communities, but also sustains the broader ecosystem by providing food and habitat for other wildlife. Furthermore, the presence of ruby-throated hummingbirds serves as an indicator of environmental health, as their reliance on specific flowering plants for nectar makes them sensitive to changes in habitat and climate. Monitoring their populations and behavior can provide valuable insights into the overall well-being of ecosystems across North America. Beyond their ecological significance, ruby-throated hummingbirds also hold cultural importance, captivating human observers with their dazzling colors, acrobatic flight, and distinctive vocalizations. Their presence adds to the beauty and wonder of the natural world, enriching the lives of countless people who admire and appreciate these tiny, yet remarkable creatures. The American alligator. The American alligator, while not as dangerous as its reputation suggests, remains a significant presence in the southeastern United States, often causing concern among residents, particularly pond and pool owners. The American alligator is an essential component of North America's ecosystems, playing a vital role in maintaining ecological balance. As a top predator, it helps regulate populations of prey species, preventing overgrazing and promoting biodiversity. Additionally, its presence contributes to nutrient cycling and ecosystem health through its feeding habits and behavior. While some adult alligators can reach lengths exceeding 13 feet, 4 meters, and weights of up to half a ton, 454 kilograms, most are more modestly sized. Despite their intimidating size, fatal attacks are relatively rare. However, it's important to note that feeding American alligators is strongly discouraged, as it habituates them to human contact, potentially increasing the likelihood of dangerous encounters. The brown bear. The brown bear stands as one of North America's largest and most formidable terrestrial carnivores. With non-retractable claws, ideal for digging, this ursine powerhouse can achieve remarkable speeds despite its hefty half-ton, 454 kilograms, size. Some individuals have been observed reaching up to 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour, in pursuit of prey. As apex predators, brown bears regulate populations of prey species, preventing overgrazing and promoting biodiversity. Their feeding habits also contribute to nutrient cycling in the environment, as they consume a variety of plant and animal matter, dispersing seeds and fertilizing the soil with their scat. Furthermore, brown bears are culturally significant to many indigenous communities across North America, often featuring prominently in myths, legends, and traditional practices. Their presence in wilderness areas also supports ecotourism and outdoor recreation, contributing to local economies and fostering appreciation for the natural world. True to their name, brown bears boast coats of black, brown, or tan fur, often with longer outer hair of a contrasting color. Additionally, their robust shoulder muscles provide the strength needed for extensive digging activities. The Monarch Butterfly. The Monarch Butterfly, recognized as a keystone species, boasts a striking appearance with a black body adorned with white spots and vibrant orange wings bordered by black veins. Some areas of their wings also feature dappled black with white spots. Poisonous to predators due to the toxins acquired from milkweed consumed during their caterpillar stage, monarch butterflies' bright coloration serves as a warning signal. However, their most famous feature is their remarkable annual migrations. Originating from southern Canada and the northern United States, monarch butterflies undertake an awe-inspiring journey southward to Mexico, captivating observers with their breathtaking spectacle of nature. The American moose. The American moose, the largest member of the deer family, possesses a substantial build with long legs, a lengthy head, and distinctive features such as a flexible upper lip, large ears, and a prominent dewlap hanging from its throat. Adorned with dark brown, almost black, fur that fades during winter, male moose grow imposing antlers in the spring, which are the largest known of any extant mammal, shedding them in the winter months. Furthermore, moose are a key prey species for large predators such as wolves and bears. Their presence supports the food web, contributing to the survival and well-being of these predators. Moose also impact their environment through nutrient cycling, as their waste products help fertilize the soil. Despite their remarkable size and appearance, the purported habit of befriending flying squirrels, reminiscent of the adventures of Rocky and Bullwinkle, remains unverified in the wild, adding a touch of mystery to these majestic creatures. The Gila Monster. The Gila Monster, the only venomous lizard indigenous to the United States, is often misunderstood and undeserving of its fearsome reputation. Weighing just a couple of pounds when wet, this lizard is sluggish and reclusive, making encounters with humans rare. Despite its venomous bite, there hasn't been a confirmed human fatality from a Gila monster since 1939. This hasn't stopped many people from overreacting and killing these creatures on sight. In reality, you'd have to be particularly persistent to get bitten, as Gila monsters are generally docile and avoid human interaction. Gila monsters play a significant role in their ecosystem by controlling insect and small mammal populations. Their presence contributes to the balance of their desert habitats, making them an important species in North America's biodiversity. The Nine-Banded Armadillo. The Nine-Banded Armadillo, the world's most widespread armadillo species, can be found across North, Central, and South America, measuring 14 to 22 inches, 36 to 56 centimeters, from head to tail, and weighing between 5 to 15 pounds, 2 to 7 kilograms. This solitary, nocturnal insectivore is often seen as roadkill on North American highways due to its nighttime activity. Notably, when startled, the nine-banded armadillo can perform a remarkable 5-foot, 1.5 meters, vertical leap, a feat made possible by the tension and flexibility of the armored scutes along its back. This defensive mechanism, although impressive, often contributes to its frequent collisions with vehicles. The nine-banded armadillo plays an important role in controlling insect populations, particularly termites and ants, which helps maintain ecological balance. Their digging behavior also aerates the soil, promoting plant growth and contributing to the health of their habitats. The Tufted Titmouse. The Tufted Titmouse, a small and charming songbird, is easily recognizable by its distinctive crest of gray feathers, big black eyes, black forehead, and rust-colored flanks. Despite its modest size, this bird displays some fascinating behaviors and has an important role in North American ecosystems. Known for their unique nesting habits, tufted titmice often incorporate discarded rattlesnake scales into their nests, possibly as a deterrent to predators. They have even been observed plucking fur from live dogs to use as nesting material, showcasing their resourcefulness. Additionally, Tufted titmouse hatchlings sometimes stay in the nest for an entire year, assisting their parents in raising the next brood, a behavior uncommon among songbirds. In terms of ecological importance, tufted titmice help control insect populations by feeding on spiders and insects, contributing to the health of their habitats. Their presence also adds to the biodiversity and auditory landscape of North American forests and gardens. The Arctic wolf. The Arctic wolf, a North American subspecies of the gray wolf, is the largest canid in the world. Adult males stand between 25 and 31 inches, 64 centimeters to 79 centimeters, tall at the shoulder, and can weigh up to 175 pounds, 79 kilograms, while females are generally smaller and lighter. These impressive predators are well adapted to the harsh conditions of the Arctic, with thick fur and a robust build to withstand freezing temperatures. Typically, Arctic wolves live in packs of 7 to 10 individuals, though larger aggregations of up to 30 members can occur. Their social structure and cooperative hunting strategies are crucial for survival in the extreme Arctic environment. Despite their formidable size and predatory nature, Arctic wolves are known to be friendlier towards humans than other wolf species, with attacks on humans being rare. As a keystone species, Arctic wolves play a vital role in their ecosystem by maintaining the balance of prey populations, such as caribou and Arctic hares. Their presence indicates a healthy environment, making them an essential part of North America's diverse wildlife. The American beaver. The American beaver, one of only two living species of beaver, the other being the Eurasian beaver, is the world's second largest rodent, after the capybara of South America. These industrious creatures can weigh up to 50 or 60 pounds, 23-27 kilograms, and are characterized by their stocky bodies, compact trunks, short legs, webbed feet, and broad, flat tails covered with scales. Known for their remarkable engineering skills, American beavers are constantly building dams, complex structures made of sticks, leaves, mud, and twigs. These dams create deep water habitats that provide beavers with protection from predators and serve as winter shelters. Beyond their immediate benefits to beavers, these dams play a crucial role in their ecosystems. By creating wetlands, they provide habitats for a variety of other species, including fish, birds, and amphibians. As a keystone species, American beavers significantly impact the landscape and the food web wherever they reside. Their dam building activities help regulate water flow, reduce erosion, and improve water quality, making them vital for maintaining healthy and balanced ecosystems. The Black-Footed Ferret. Unlike the relatively healthy and thriving animals on this list, the black-footed ferret is teetering on the brink of extinction. Declared extinct in the wild in 1987, the last 18 black-footed ferrets were brought into captivity to become part of a breeding program aimed at reintroducing the species to Arizona, Wyoming, and South Dakota. The black-footed ferret is a crucial indicator of the health of prairie ecosystems. As a specialist predator, it relies almost entirely on prairie dogs for food and shelter, thus playing a key role in controlling prairie dog populations. Today, there are about 300 to 400 black-footed ferrets in the wild, a hopeful sign for conservationists. However, this resurgence is not so fortunate for their primary prey, the prairie dog. The ambitious goal is to increase the wild population to 3,000 individuals. Achieving this target is challenging, as disease outbreaks sometimes decimate ferret populations, underscoring the ongoing vulnerability of this species. If you believe that there are any other animal that could have made it into this video, then let me know down in the comments below. But for now, thank you for watching, and until next time, goodbye.